Now everybody dreads the day that their car won't start and they can't get to where they're going. So I'm going to give you some tricks and tips to figure out what's wrong with it and how to get back on the road. Now the first step and your instinct for troubleshooting your not starting car is try jumping it. That's going to be the easiest way to find out if it's going to run or not. So you're going to put two ends, positive and negative, onto the car that is running, and then you're going to put the positive of the car not starting and the negative is going to be on the frame. Now if the car starts up after being jumped, there's going to be two possible problems. Either it's going to be the battery or the alternator. Now tip number one, whenever you start your car, you should hear a small hum. That is going to be your fuel pump pressurizing and getting ready to start. So if you turn the key and get ready to start and you don't hear that hum, most likely it's your fuel pump gone bad. Now if you can't hear the hum from inside the vehicle, have a friend turn the key to start and you can listen from down here. And you should be able to hear that hum. If you don't, most likely it's going to be the fuel pump. To test whether it is your battery or alternator giving you the problems, you can either use one of these really cool OBD readers. I got mine off of Amazon, about $30 to $40 for reviewing, or you can just go with a standard multimeter. This one's Harbor Freight, about 10 bucks. Either way, it's going to do the same thing. First, it's going to take a reading at standing or idle with the battery. It should be about 12.5 volts. Anything less is going to be a dead battery. Now with the car going, if you can jump start it to test the alternator, it should be about 13.5 to 14 volts. Now if it's anything less than 13.5, obviously your alternator is not recharging your battery. And if it's anything more than 14 volts, obviously there's going to be an issue with the electrical and it is overcharging your battery, and that is what's causing the problem. Now another test you can do is a quick visual inspection of the battery. They should be clean. Of course it's going to be a little bit dusty because it's under the hood, but there shouldn't be any battery chemical reaction happening. If you see that, it's definitely a sign that something's going wrong. With mine, definitely there's a little bit of dirt, but it looks okay. If you still have the problem, you can always try cleaning off these terminals to see if you can get a better connection from the post to the actual connector. Now another easy fix is going to be the fuse box. You want to check this out. On my truck, it's going to be passenger side in the footwell, and you just want to look for any fuses that are blown that you can easily replace. And there we go. Those are some quick tips to see if you can get your vehicle easily back on the road. Hopefully I help somebody out, because that's what I love doing. And I mean it straight from the heart when I always say it. Ride safe, drive safe, and please keep at least two wheels on the road.